Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are the brand new shelves that we just put up from Nature Supplies Italia in our baby nursery. And we are so excited because they came out so cute. They're super easy to put together and install, and they just look so great with the decorations and the books on them. It just takes a couple of minutes to put together. It's super simple and easy to do. It comes with all the hardware and screws that you need. If you have a drill, it makes it that much easier. And when you're ready to put it on the wall, if you're not nailing into a stud, you can use drywall anchors, and that will help you install it so much easier. It just takes like 5 minutes to put up each shelf, and the results are so cute. I love how these shelves look. This is the barnwood finish. It's kind of just like a rustic wood look, and it looks so cute with the books in there and the little decorations. We used 2 on one wall and 1 on the other wall by the diaper changing station, and I'm just obsessed with the way that it pulls the room together. It just makes the nursery look so much more complete, and it gives you a little bit extra storage on the walls. So we're overall just really happy with these cute little shelves. So if you're looking for the perfect little nursery shelves, you're definitely going to want to check out Nature Supplies Italia. They have different finishes to choose from, and they're made out of real wood. They're going to last you a long time, very easy to install, but that's just my point of view.